What is going on, guys? So do you ever have this bug here where if you try to full screen Steam you get like this weird black around the area here? This only happens on my 144p monitor, 1440p, not 144p, that was stupid. But like my 2K resolution monitor, not 4K, but it's 2K. It's not 1080p, but I don't know, when I full screen this sometimes happens, and like I'll close Steam, I'll reopen it, and it still does the same thing. So how do we fix this for real? Well, you're gonna have to just quit Steam altogether. So go in here, right click, exit Steam. It's gonna shut it down. And now you can relaunch it and the full screen should be fine. And that's the only way. You have to completely exit out. I don't know, the program gets into some weird state where if you close it and reopen it, full screen is still broken. Makes no sense, but here we are. So full screen's now working. You can see we can close our icons and we're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I know, like, very quick video, but I run into this pretty often, so figured I'd make something for this because I don't know, it happens like once every week for me, once every 2 weeks. I don't understand why they haven't fixed it. It's been going on for years. So since they haven't fixed it, just exit out of Steam and reopen it. Completely exit out. Another way to exit out of it is you could go to your task manager and then go to Steam client web helper. You can see what I got running here. You just go in here and you end the task too. That is another way. So you don't have to quit or exit out, but you can do it that way too. Whichever way floats your boat. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. That is how you fix the Steam full screen bug. Thanks for watching.